Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to accept payments through credit or debit card without merchant. So for this, first of all, go to Wix.com and sign into your account. Now go to your site dashboard and here on the left side, scroll down and go to settings. In settings, you will find accept payments option. So click on accept payments here. So here you need to wait for a while and now scroll down. So there we have accept credit or debit card where it will allow to accept credit or debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Affirm and others like Klarna, Caesars, etc. So if you connect credit or debit card here, then you don't need to connect all these apps here, like it will automatically connect it. So click on connect and here click on accept and continue. And from here, just enter your details. Okay, so now you can turn these on if you want and then click on continue. Here it will take few seconds again. Okay, so now to connect payments with Wix, you need to upgrade your site. Okay, so now just add a few more details like your card, etc. And then you can use credit or debit card without merchant account. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.